ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline in an unpretentious manner. ETH truly faces obstruction at $1,364.37, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum in a real sense is drifting at $10,393,915,657, or so they essentially thought. The amount generally is presently at $1,421.10 in an unobtrusive manner. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time truly got clarification on pressing issues. What generally is transient cost expectation for Ethereum? Truly is ETH a sort of wise speculation, which basically is very huge. Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they by and large thought. In any case, prior to jumping sort of profound into the ETH specialized examination, truly let us truly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situation, which shows that ETH in every way that really matters faces opposition at $1,364.37, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,136,850,397,543, or so they truly thought. The really absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $47,516,158,315, showing how yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the ETH specialized examination, especially let us by and large discussion about the sort of current economic situation, which for the most part shows that ETH generally faces opposition at $1,364.37, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%. So ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, showing how ETH generally faces opposition at $1,364.37, which in every practical sense is very huge. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 6.93 and is of now exchanging at 42 cents, which sort of shows that Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum generally is floating at $10,393,915,657, which fundamentally is very huge. These occasions generally show that the market truly is going in a kind of descending course for sort of present moment, which really is very huge. As of now, a general truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which most certainly is very huge. Ethereum backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So the AMA is presently at $1,421.10 in a sort of significant manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become sort of additional in every way that really matters, dynamic, and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the AMA explicitly is right now at $1,421.10 in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants generally become move pretty dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution, the cost of Ethereum in every practical sense, is at $1,841.73, down 3.71% in the beyond 24 hours and really has a value change of 0.92% over the course of the week, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 10,393,915,657.00 US dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to 220,624,447,993 dollars USD, which essentially is very huge. There certainly are very nearly 120,334,908 truly are available for use out of 120,334,908, showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a genuinely descending course for especially present moment, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Investigation for the 8th of May 2023 inside an essentially day-to-day time span truly made sense of beneath, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%. So ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline. Kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving especially normal, and outstanding moving commonly normal to fundamentally break down the future development of the Ethereum. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, showing how ETH in a real sense faces opposition at $1,364.37 in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line truly is remaining above the fundamentally signal line after and in every practical sense. Positive hybrid, by and large further appearance how we utilize commonly relative strength index, moving truly normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving essentially normal and remarkable moving most certainly normal to for the most part examine the future development of the Ethereum. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time span, exhibiting how ETH truly faces obstruction at $1,364.37 in a for the most part enormous manner. Ethereum financial backers need to essentially sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline. Pretty further appearance how similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers by and large become move really dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they for the most part thought. RSI inferring combination stage while exchanging at 42 and by and large is attempting to truly break out of the nonpartisanship zone, showing that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers become more dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how the amount really is at present at $1,421.10, which essentially is genuinely huge, while ETH's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition. A exchange certainly signal in a real sense is especially conceivable at this reach, so which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in a kind of enormous manner. Ends as per the Ethereum cost examination. The really bears